everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So guys, today I'm going to show you my dishwasher, which is of BOSH company. Let's see. So this is the dishwasher and this is the display. It's a BOSH. Inside these are the things, and my mother has already not washed them, so I'm going to show them. This is a plate, and this is also like this only we can put it cooker and kadhai also. In this one we have big things, and in this one like spoon and small plates, glasses. So in this one we have small things. So, like this, we have small plates, we have small spoons and cups, katoris and bowls. You can see these bowls. And so, like this, we can set the things. In this, you can see how to set the objects. In this one, we only have to make small objects come in and make sure that they are not upside, they are downsides. Not directly we have to first wash them and then put it. Now we'll close it. Has fans under it, and we have to check whether it's doing now sound. The sound is coming out of it like this. So this is the ticky which makes the objects clean, and we have to open it like this. This sticky will go inside this box and close it. So we have to close it like this. So now we have to check whether it's making sound or not. And now we will close this. So now this is the on and off button. Now this is the display. We will select functions like intensive kadai, express, sparkle, auto, echo, quick, parallel. Now this is a start button, and our things are being washed inside. Now we have switched it off. Let's open this and see how the whistles are washed. You can see heat is coming, steam is coming, and see how the whistles are clean washed. See the shining of the vessels. From hand washing, it's better to wash in dishwashers. Everything, spoons, bowls, glasses, everything you can see. Plates, small. And these bowls, so shining and beautiful. Let's see the big vessels like plates. This is the shining of the plates. You can see from hand washing you can't see the shining. This is also a plate. Shining. Thanks for watching. Please support me if you like my videos. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.